Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today we're going to talk about the top windows for your home for 2026. We're going to start right here. In front of me I have wood-clad window. What's a wood-clad window? Well, as you can see, on the inside it's made out of real beautiful wood, true wood window with an exterior aluminum cap on it. Now, you've heard of brands like Andersen, you've heard of Pella, you've heard of Marvin. This happens to be Marvin. I love the Marvin family of products. Now, is Andersen a good window? Absolutely. Is Pella a great window? Yes. There's a few brands I would avoid, but when it comes to beautiful wood windows with an aluminum exterior, at the top of my list are these two. Number one, the Marvin Ultimate, and also number one, because they're both amazing, the Sierra Pacific wood aluminum clad window. Now let's talk about aluminum doors. You want a big, beautiful door so you can enjoy connecting the inside of your home to the outside of your home. Check out this Western Window Systems door. This is made from anodized aluminum. Okay, anodized meaning that it's not paint. It's actually impregnated into the aluminum itself. It's got a thermal break, which makes the heat stay outside and the cool, beautiful air conditioning stay on the inside. And it comes in a range of beautiful big sizes. It's our number one choice for 2026 for aluminum doors. Now, if you're looking for an aluminum window, I have some great choices for that as well. Come back here with me. We have Don Young, we have NT, we have Western, but when it comes to the best, the most premium, the most beautiful quality products for 2026, it's going to be the Western aluminum window. My favorite, amazing product. By the way, just a little bonus product from Western, in case this is on your list for projects for 2026, this is an awning pass-through window. Look how this thing opens and closes over a countertop. So if you're thinking about that extension to the house where maybe you have a swimming pool out there and an indoor-outdoor kitchen over here, this is a great product. In fact, in 2026, I'm expanding my house and this is what I'm going to put in it. It's really cool. Now, probably for my favorite window, and I'm going to call this a future-proof window because this is the future of windows. This is an Infinity by Marvin window product. This is made out of a composite, 100% composite. And the composite materials are strongest. In fact, this product is 8 times stronger than builder-grade vinyl windows. It's going to last for a very, very long time, and it's actually very beautiful. It's so beautifully made. It is my top window for composite windows in 2026. And in my opinion, this is probably the best value, the best product I have in the building. I'm so pleased with it that this is actually the window I put in my personal house. I made a video about that. You have to check it out. This is composite. Now, let's keep moving. When it comes to ultra premium vinyl windows and doors, I don't think there's anything better than the Anlin family of windows and doors. This product is what they call their Delmar E series. E meaning expanded view, has a very narrow profile so you get more glass space, unlike a lot of vinyl windows that can tend to be really chunky. It has a really great sound reduction package on this glass, which reduces sound compared to single pane by about 50%. It will save you approximately 30% on your energy bill every year. It has great sound reduction and great air infiltration ratings. So this window's quiet, keeps the dust, the dirt, the pollen from coming in and out. Also, what I like about it is it has inside here a composite reinforcement to help give this rigidity and strength, because we do know that vinyl is a little bit softer material than, say, the composite I showed you over there. My favorite window in the building is the composite window by Infinity. My second favorite is going to be this vinyl window, ultra premium vinyl window from Anlin. This will save you some money and give you an amazing, amazing product that you'll be so proud of for many, many years to come. In fact, it comes with a double lifetime warranty. You say, Jeff, what the heck is a double lifetime warranty? Meaning, as long as you live in a home, it's under warranty, and the next homeowner, as long as they live in a home, it's under warranty. Double lifetime warranty. This is great stuff. You deserve a great window for your home. My YouTube channel is designed to simplify, remove the complication and the pain out of buying, get it, pain, P-A-N-E, the pain out of buying new windows for your house, I would suggest you subscribe, like, and by the way, if you live in Texas, we'd love to help you. I'm the founder of the Window Experts in Houston, Texas. We have locations in Dallas, expanding into other parts of Texas real soon. If you don't live in this area, but you're looking for a great window company that sells some of these products near you, I started this long list of great window companies that I personally know and have vetted all over the country. You can find a list and see if there's anybody near you at my website, jeffslist.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a wonderful 2026.